Hi everyone, Deb here with Dahlia Designs. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. This is the Passion for Purple collaboration. It's hosted by Metal Scrap and Chick, and anyone can participate. There's a hashtag you can use. We post on the 15th of each month at around noon Eastern. But if you're just seeing this and you'd like to participate, just go ahead and post anytime and use the hashtag. I guess. So I didn't really know what to make this month, so I just pulled out some beads and decided to make earrings. I have had these in my stash for a long time. It was a strand of purple, blue, purple, sort of iris colored, faceted glass. They're sort of like rondelles. And I just decided to do a 3-drop earring of purple, the blue, and the purple, and I put them on silver finish steel, I think, ear wires from Beadbox Bargains. These were actually from AC Moore, and I had never started to use the strand. And I just noticed this one seems small compared to the other ones. I might have to change that one out. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, it looks smaller on the screen to me. So anyway, that's what I did the first time, and I thought, well, I can't just do one pair of earrings, so I decided to do one more. I have been under the weather and my mojo kind of left the scene for a while. These are also, I think, glass purple iris, and those I got at a bead show that used to come around. I can't remember if it was Rings and Things or Shipwreck Beads. One of those two used to come around, do nationwide bead shows, like individual shows in hotels and stuff. And I got them at one of those way back. I mean, we're talking like 2012 probably, or maybe 13. I don't know. These I got from jewelrymaker.com. These are actually purple coated agate. But they're metallic too. So everything is metallics today. The bead caps here, these big ones, I don't usually buy bead caps that big, but those were in a soft flex kit called Pastel Party in the Jesse James bead mix. And then I did not wire wrap these. They're all simple loops, which I don't like doing. But this little bead is a Beadalon line barrel, it was called. It has like 3 ridges, so it makes it look like I wire wrapped them, even though I didn't. And I just put them on silver plated lever backs because they're a little bit, these beads here are like 12 millimeter. They're a little bit heavy. And yeah, that's my project for this month. Nothing spectacular, but wearable earrings. And it's, it's close to Halloween, so the purple comes in, it comes into Halloween, right? The dark purple and metallic-y color. I hope you enjoyed it. I know Kim, who is Metal Scrap and Chick, she'll, I'm sure, be posting something. It doesn't have to be jewelry. Some of the participants might post cards or other papercraft or knitting or crochet or whatever, but I do jewelry each month. So yeah, purple is her favorite color, and so we are following that. And I brought in a little bit of my favorite color, which is blue. And I even did my nails, and I already had to touch them up because, yeah, they're already bad, but they're a different shade of purple. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.